Have you ever checked your bank account and seen a random $550 deposit? Maybe you thought it was a mistake. But what if I told you Google could secretly hand out cash daily? That's right. In today's video, we're diving deep to uncover how Google makes people $550 every day. Monetize your content. While there's no guaranteed income with Google, some individuals have achieved significant success by creating valuable content and leveraging Google's advertising platform, AdSense. Here's how it works. YouTube channel with AdSense. Build a loyal audience on YouTube by creating engaging videos in a specific niche. Once you meet YouTube's criteria, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last year, you can enable AdSense. Viewers who watch ads displayed before, during, or after your videos earn a portion of the advertising revenue. Blogger with AdSense. If you're a skilled writer, create a blog focused on a particular topic. By consistently publishing high-quality, informative articles that attract readers, you can integrate AdSense. Similar to YouTube, you generate income when visitors click on displayed ads on your blog. Building a large and engaged audience is the key to success in both these avenues. The more viewers/readers you have, the more potential for ad clicks and generating revenue. But remember, this takes time and dedication to create valuable content and understand your target audience. Freelancing and remote work. While a daily income of $550 might be exceptional, freelancing and remote work through Google-related skills can be lucrative. Here's how. Become a Google Ads specialist. Businesses constantly seek qualified individuals to manage their Google Ads campaigns. By obtaining Google Ads certifications and mastering campaign optimization, you can work with various clients, setting your rates and potentially reaching a high daily income if you manage large budgets for multiple clients. Content writing and SEO for Google-focused businesses. Many businesses rely on organic search traffic driven by search engines, to attract customers. If you have strong writing skills and expertise in search engine optimization, SEO, you can offer content creation services tailored to rank well on Google searches. This could involve writing blog posts, product descriptions, or website content optimized for relevant keywords. With a steady stream of clients, you can build a significant income. Remember, success in this field depends on your ability to deliver results. Building a strong portfolio, exceptional communication skills, and staying updated on the latest Google Ads and SEO trends are crucial for attracting high-paying clients. E-commerce with Google Ads. While $550 a day might be a stretch, Google Ads can be a powerful tool for e-commerce businesses to reach new customers and significantly boost sales. Here's how. Targeted advertising. Reach the right audience with laser precision. Google Ads lets you target people who are actively searching for products similar to yours. Imagine showing your ad for handmade pottery to users browsing for unique housewarming gifts. Data-driven optimization. Constantly improve your ad campaigns with real-time data. Google Ads provides insights into clicks, conversions, and spending. Analyze this data to refine your targeting, keywords, and ad copy, maximizing your return on investment. ROI. Measurable results. Track your success down to the penny. Unlike traditional advertising, Google Ads lets you see exactly how much each click and conversion costs. This allows you to focus your budget on what's working and eliminate strategies that aren't delivering sales. By implementing effective Google Ads strategies, e-commerce businesses can attract qualified leads, convert more website visitors into paying customers, and achieve significant growth. Success depends on your product, market competition, and advertising expertise. App development with Google Play Store. While some developers achieve significant success, a guaranteed $550 daily income isn't typical. Here's a more realistic breakdown. Building apps with high user engagement. Identify a gap in the market. Research popular app categories and find unique value propositions to address unmet user needs. Consider factors like entertainment, productivity, education, or niche interests. Prioritize user experience, UX. Design an intuitive, visually appealing interface that engages users. Optimize app performance and responsiveness for a seamless experience. Foster user loyalty. Implement features that encourage repeat usage. Gamification, social integration, and valuable content updates can keep users returning for more. Monetization strategies. Freemium model. Offer a basic app version for free and unlock premium features or in-app purchases, like subscriptions or ad removal, for a fee. In-app advertising. Partner with ad networks to display targeted ads within your app. However, ensure a balance that doesn't disrupt the user experience. Paid app model. Charge a one-time upfront fee for your app. This strategy is more effective for high-value, polished applications with unique features. Remember, building a successful app requires dedication, continuous learning, and a focus on creating a valuable product that users love. While some developers experience high earnings, having realistic expectations and a long-term strategy for achieving sustainable app-based income is crucial. Affiliate marketing with Google Search. While the $550 daily figure might be a stretch, affiliate marketing through Google Search can be a powerful way to generate income. Here's how it works. Find profitable niches. Identify topics with high search volume and products people are actively looking to buy. Research affiliate programs offered by relevant companies in your chosen niche. These programs provide a commission for every sale you drive to their website through your unique affiliate link. Content is king and queen. Create high-quality content optimized for Google Search that educates your audience about their problems and how these affiliated products can solve them. This could be informative blog posts, helpful video reviews, or in-depth buying guides. The key is to be transparent and build trust with your audience by offering genuine recommendations, not just pushing products. Long-term play, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Building a successful affiliate marketing strategy takes time and consistent effort. It involves ranking your content well on Google Search, attracting a loyal audience, and establishing yourself as a trusted source. Don't expect overnight riches, but with dedication, you can create a sustainable income stream through well-placed affiliate links within your valuable content. Online courses and coaching with Google products. While earning a consistent $550 daily is difficult, Google products can empower you to build a profitable online course or coaching business. Here's how. Create high-value courses. Leverage Google Classroom to build comprehensive online courses. Utilize Google Docs, slides, and forms to craft engaging learning materials. Integrate video lectures recorded with Google Meet for a dynamic learning experience. Targeted marketing and effective delivery. Promote your course through targeted Google Ads, reaching your ideal student base. Conduct live sessions and personalized coaching via Google Meet. Fostering interaction and community. Scalability and streamlined operations. Automate tasks like email marketing and enrollment management with Google Workspace tools. Utilize Google Analytics to track student engagement and adapt your course for better results. This allows you to serve a larger audience efficiently, potentially leading to significant income over time. Building a successful online course business requires dedication, expertise, and consistent marketing efforts. While the daily income might not hit $550 right away, Google provides the tools to scale your business and reach a wider audience, increasing your earning potential in the long run. Beyond the $550, building a sustainable online income. While the specific number of $550 daily is complex to guarantee, combining multiple Google-based strategies can lead to significant income. Imagine a YouTuber who creates engaging content, monetizes through AdSense and sponsorships, and then offers online courses to their audience using Google Classroom. This individual leverages multiple income streams within the Google ecosystem. Furthermore, success often breeds success. A blogger who builds a loyal audience through high-quality, SEO-optimized content using Google tools can attract high-paying affiliate partnerships. The key lies in creating value for your audience and exploring various Google tools to monetize that value effectively. Individuals can create a sustainable income path with Google products and services by focusing on long-term growth and building a strong online presence. If you enjoyed this video on how Google can be a great way to make money, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below, letting me know your thoughts. Also, Be sure to subscribe for more awesome content on making money online just like this.